Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's technology briefing. I'm here to bring an extended update of the rapidly changing world of innovation, digital progress, and the future of human life shaped by technology. In recent years, technology has evolved at an extraordinary pace, becoming the backbone of almost uh, every industry, from healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment. Technology has shaped the way people communicate, like work, and even think about the future. Today, we will closer several areas, including artificial intelligence, robotic shape exploration, cyber security, and consumer electronics. The kind of artificial intelligence is like AI. We can call it with easier like AI. Like we now, for now, let's begin with artificial intelligence. One of the most talked about topics of this decade. Artificial intelligence, often shortened out to AI, is no longer just an experiment inside research lab, and is it now an active participant in daily life. Smart assistant and our phone like recommendation engine on streaming platform and automated customer support bad like support but example of AI. Okay, already in action. Beyond this, AI is revolutionizing medicine by helping doctor analyze medical image more accurately than ever before. So, hospital now use AI-powered tools to detect early signs of cancer, heart disease, and other serious conditions, improving survival rates and saving countless lives. In the business world, AI is reshaping industries by automating repetitive tasks and freeing human workers to focus on creative problem solving. However, the rise of all AI also raises serious questions about the future of jobs. Will automation replace human labor on a massive scale, or will it create a new opportunities that we cannot yet imagine? These debates are ongoing, and experts across the globe are trying to find the right balance between innovation and responsibility. Human in factories, warehouse, and even hospital, collaborative robots, sometimes called cobots, are designed to assist human workers rather than replace them. In surgery, robotic arm provide doctor with higher precision, allowing for minimally invasive operation that reduce recovery time for patients. Meanwhile, in logistics, delivery robots and drones are being tested in major cities, paving the way for the future where groceries, packets, and even medicine might arrive at your door without human driver. Okay, so it can make you easier. And beyond the Earth, technology continues to expand human horizon through space exploration. Private companies, once considered secondary players, are now taking the lead, launching rocket satellites and even planning mission to Mars. Satellites play a critical role in modern communication, navigation, and weather forecasting. Space technology also provides the foundation for internet access in remote areas, connecting communities that were previously left behind. Looking ahead, scientists and engineers believe that space colonization and resource mining could become reality in the coming decade, potentially transforming the global economy and human civilization as a whole, but with come risk. One of the greatest challenges of our digital age is cybersecurity. As a more devices connect to the internet, the risk of cyber attacks increase dramatically. Uh, Hackers are constantly finding new ways to steal data, disrupt systems, and manipulate information. Government and private organizations are investing heavily in cybersecurity solutions to protect critical infrastructure, such as power grids, airports, and banking systems. Cybersecurity is no longer just a technical issue, it is now a matter of national security. Experts warn the wars of the future may not be fought with bombs and tanks, but with the code and algorithm. On the consumer side, technology continues to shape lifestyle and culture. The world of consumer electronics is booming, with smartphone, wearable devices, and smart home systems becoming essential part of everyday life. Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies are opening new possibilities for gaming, training, and even education. Imagine students taking a virtual trip through ancient Rome or like a medical training practicing surgery in a simulated environment without any risk to real patients. These experiences were once impossible, but now they are becoming more accessible year by year. Another important trend is sustainable technology. As the planet faces environmental challenges such as climate change and pollution, engineers and innovators are working to create cleaner, greener solutions. Renewable energy technology, such as solar and wind power, are rapidly growing. Electric vehicles are on the rise, with major car manufacturers announcing bold plans to phase out traditional gasoline engines in favor of battery power alternatives. At the same time, smart city initiatives are using data and sensors to reduce traffic, save energy, and improve the quality of urban life. Okay, maybe this is all from me about the global technology news for today. Sorry if I have any mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.